Artificial intelligence has become an integral part of our daily lives, and it is essential in the business. In the last 10 years, AI has infiltrated across the sectors, automating the complex operations, enhancing user experiences, improving productivity and quality of products and services. Despite its immense potential, its integration into the business and adoption has been limited. In this course, we will focus on delve into these significant challenges and learn how to overcome them using human-centric AI frameworks and methods. My name is Zabiullah. I'm an AI practitioner, product manager, coach, and a mentor from last 18 years. I have built several AI products and specifically focused on AI adoptions in my research and practice. In this course, we will teach you the specific techniques for discovering an AI opportunity, designing AI solutions, and developing human-centric AI systems. There is a special emphasis on user adoption. Hence, we will delve deeper into the modules related to user enablement, calibrating user trust, and optimizing user experiences with AI. This course is designed for professionals such as product designers, product managers, and senior executives who wish to learn how to develop human-centric AI systems for wider adoptions and business successes. While delivering this course, my focus is really to ensure there is a practical outcome for all participants. In each module, there are practical exercises and activities to teach you specific techniques overcoming practical challenges in implementing an AI. At the end of this course, you will have a comprehensive understanding of AI development and management. This course is designed for non-technical professionals, hence it doesn't require any deep technical expertise and coding.